4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 41, часть 1, страница 90-91. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 41, part number 1, page number 90-91. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 90. The stone flower. Listen, point to the picture and say the words. Get married. Каменный цветок. Послушай, укажи на картинку и проговори слова. Get married. Listen and read the story. Danila is engaged to Katya, a very pretty young girl from the village. Danila spends most of his time in the woods, and Katya does not see him very often. Danila, you go to the forest every day, she says. I hardly ever see you. Don't be sad, Katya. I'm looking for the right stone to make a beautiful vase for us. Danila answers. Prokopich is worried about Danila. He tells him, you must get married to Katya. Now, my son, and make your own family. But Danila tells him, yes, I love Katya, but I'm not ready. First, I need to find the right stone. I want to make the perfect vase for our home. After that, we can get married. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 91. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and complete the conversation between Prokopich and Danila. Прочитай заново историю и закончи разговором между Прокопичем и Данилой. The answer number 1. Worried. Danila, my boy, I am very worried about you. The answer number 2. Get married. Number 3. Family. Why? Well, I think you should get married, Katya, and make your own family. The answer number 4. Ready. It isn't time yet. I love Katya, but I'm not ready. Why not? The answer. Number 5. Stone. Number 6. Perfect. Number 7. Home. First, I need to find the right stone. I want to make the perfect vase for our home. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and underline the sentences that illustrate the picture of the story. Then act them out with your friend. Прочитай и подчеркни предложения, которые показывают картинку истории. Затем разыграй диалог вместе со своим другом. The answer. Danila, you go to the forest every day, she says. I hardly ever see you. Don't be sad, Katya. I'm looking for the right stone to make a beautiful vase for us, Danila says. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. Where can the stone be? Perfect and true. I must make my vase before I marry you. Up in the mountains, down in the woods, hundreds of stones there, but they are no good. Where can the stone be? I'll search all my life. I must make a vase before I take a wife. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.